Another cool Saturday morning. Should be a frosty start with a nice warm finish. Sounds like a beer commercial. Anyway, just getting started. Spoke to a couple of guys I saw last weekend. And we'll see how today goes. Hopefully I can post all this for the week. And we'll have a striper video on YouTube. Alright. Hopefully that west wind predicted to be around 10 today or more isn't in the face. But there are enough bends around here and fish to get out of it. So, alright, beautiful morning. See the gar breaching. Big old gar. Alright. Little shot of myself in my weather gear. Just putting along. Alright, here we go. Well, if you were worried about the wind, it is not up yet. The sun is, and the fish are out. So this is probably 2.5, 3 pounds. Might go 20 inches. Second fish of the day. Caught him pretty quick here. Try for some more. Guess somebody must know it's my birthday today, because this is the third one in the slot. And I've had 4 under, and the sun is barely up. I missed one too, so about 8 fish. Nice looking fish, huh? Look at that. Big fat, nice fight. Let him go. Yep, definitely my birthday today. Look at that baby. Probably 4 pounds. Nice big fish. Nice big fish. Big old striper. I've been just killing them in this spot. Right here in front of Bear Creek, that big old stump out there. About 17 feet of water, just slow jigging it. Look at the size of that baby. Alright, let's get a picture of her. Well, this one took about 2 hours to find. I caught 17 down near Trannis Creek, and I came up to my other spot, and finally, with the wind dying down, they're starting to stack up a little. So I'm gonna let this one go and see if I can catch another. 3 fish in there. Well, to wrap up today, once the wind kicked up, about 10 o'clock, the bite really dropped off, at least for me. I saw other folks catching here and there, but it was nothing like when I first got here this morning. Still west wind, about 10 miles, but I'm protected here, heading into Trannis Creek. It's about 4 o'clock. Gorgeous day. Stayed nice and cool. Didn't get real hot. Maybe tomorrow will be nicer. We shall see. And I ended up with 19 fish total. 17 of them caught before shoot, before 10 o'clock. So I had a real blitz going there. Thought I might make 40 some today. But when I got up to the spot that I killed them at last weekend, the water was moving a lot more, and the water was certainly murkier. I got a few strikes early on, went to the other side of the river, found a few. So anyway, it's a good day. Okay, look how fat this fish is, man. I don't know if you can see that. That's my boot. This fish is probably 7 inches across. I can't imagine the girth on it. It can't be more than 20 inches long. If you can really get a... Just crazy. Big old fat. Probably female. Let her go. I think she likes a little rock for us. Alright. Another 3.5, 4 pounder. Back to back drags through here. Just having a blast. Alright, let me see if I can get a photo of her. Still drifting and fishing. Got another nice 3.5 pounder. I got, that's comments from the gang. Alright, let's hit some more. Just got 2 in a row. So that's pretty good. Bye. Shoulders on. Man, he hit hard. That jerked the rod out of my hand. Probably 20, 21, maybe 3.5 pounds. Nice fish. Fun stuff. Still hitting them, just drift fishing. Not even jigging. Just holding it just above the bottom and they're sucking it up. So, fun stuff. Let her go. This is the 4th one I've caught drifting here. I'll try for some more. Alright, let's make number 5 in about an hour. She's probably 20 inches long, or he. Looks more like a he. Maybe. Anyway, big old, probably 2.5, 3 pounds. Nice fat fish. Fun stuff. Freezing my behind off. This wind. Woo! Alright, here we go. Roar. Well, the wind has picked up a little, and so I've decided to go in. The bite has also ceased, pretty much. Haven't seen anybody pick up any in a while. So I'm gonna go get some lunch and call it a day. Maybe put this online. Alright, I'm moving about 2 miles an hour without having pedal or paddle. So it's whipping pretty good.